Hey guys, it's Pastor Bruce, and we're in Luke chapter 16 today, which is a money chapter, or more accurately, this is a chapter about how the Lord expects us to utilize the money and resources that He has entrusted to us while we're here on planet Earth. Luke breaks this teaching up into two major sections. First, we see Jesus' parable of the unjust steward, which has been misunderstood by many over the years, but its essential teaching is the idea that the Lord expects us to use whatever He has given us in a shrewd manner in order to further His purposes on earth. He tells us that He's got to be able to entrust the small things, which are the assets of this world, before He's going to turn over His heavenly riches to us, and that makes perfectly good sense. And then we see this account of Lazarus and the rich man. And many call it an account because Lazarus' literal name is used in this passage. And, you know, Lazarus was this poor, downtrodden, sick man. And the rich man passed him probably hundreds of times and never lifted one finger to help him, to give him money, or to minister to him, or even give him a kind word. And even in death, this rich man is expecting Lazarus to serve him. He never, ever gets it. And that's the challenge for you and I. We need to get it. We need to understand that this life is not provided for us so that we can be served. The money we're given is not so that we can line our nest with all these wonderful trinkets of life. Instead, the Lord expects us to take whatever we have and to use it for His glory. Whether you've got $1 in your bank account or $100 billion, whether you're driving some ratty old car or a Maserati, or a skateboard for that matter, whether you're living in a castle or whether you're living on the street, whatever the Lord has entrusted to you and me, we are to utilize it to the very best of our abilities to further His kingdom and make disciples for Jesus Christ. So let me ask you today, how are you doing with all that the Lord has entrusted to you? God bless you as you go.